Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from group 10. We will presentation our result discussion about project assessment. Before we continue explain the material, let me introduce our member group. Me, Givi Restika Hananda, as moderator and as first speaker, and my partner Anissa Putri and Anissa Pratiwi. Okay, I will explain the first material. Alright guys, for the first material we talk about definition of project assessment. What is project assessment? Project assessment is an evaluation method in which students are required to complete a project over a certain period of time. This project might involve research, investigation, problem solving, or the creation of a product or performance. And what makes project assessment different from traditional tests? It is focused on both the learning process and the final outcomes. Students are not only judged based on what they produce at the end, but also on how they plan, organize, and execute their tasks. In this type of assessment, students are encouraged to work independently or collaboratively, apply their knowledge to real-world situations, and demonstrate high-order thinking skills such as analysis, creativity, decision-making, and reflection. Overall, project assessment provides a more authentic and meaningful way of understanding student competence because it shows how well students can apply what they learn, not just recall information. Alright guys, we move talk about characteristic of project assessment. Alright, project assessment has several defining characteristics that distinguish it from other forms of evaluation. Okay, for the first, it is time extended, meaning that students work on the project for days, weeks, or even months. This allows them to explore a topic deeply and develop more thoughtful and thorough results. And the second is it is integrated, combining knowledge, skill, attitudes, and creativity into one task. Students must not only understand the content but also apply practical skills such as planning, researching, organizing data, and communicating findings. For the third is project assessment authentic. The tasks often mirror real-world situations such as solving a community problem, designing a product, conducting scientific inquiry, or creating a social campaign. This makes learning more relevant and meaningful. Fourth, it is support collaborative learning. Projects might be completed individually or in groups, which helps students practice teamwork, leadership, communication, and responsibility. And lastly, project assessment emphasizes student autonomy, giving learners the opportunity to make decisions, manage their own time, and take ownership of their learning process. This characteristic helps students build long-term skills that are essential beyond the classroom. Okay, that's all for me. The next material will be explained by Anissa Putri. To Anissa Putri, time is yours.
Okay, thank you to moderator who have given me to explain next material. Okay, in this session, I will be explain purpose of project assessment. So, the main purpose, I have 5 points. For the first, measure students' ability to plan and manage tasks. It assesses how well students organize time, create steps, and complete tasks systematically. And the second, develop problem solving and research skills. It trains students to research for information, identify problems, and find solutions based on data. And the third, strengthen creativity and analytical thinking. Help students generate new ideas and analyze information more deeply. And the fourth, enhance collaboration and communication skills. It encourages students to work in teams, discuss ideas, share responsibilities, and present clearly. And the last, provide authentic evidence of students' learning. It's offer real proof of students' abilities through products and processes, not only written tests. Okay, that's all the main purpose. Okay, for the next material about stage of project assessment. So I have 4 points. For the first, planning. It's setting goals, arranging schedules, preparing researches, and outlining project steps. And the second, implementation. Carrying out activities based on the plan, including gathering data and creating the project products. And the third, reporting. It's representing project results through reports, presentation, or the final product. And the last, evaluation. Is the teacher assesses both the process and the final outcomes using appropriate instruments. Okay.
Okay, thank you to Anissa Putri. The next material will be explained by Anissa Pratiwi. To Anissa Pratiwi, time is yours.
Thank you to opportunity from moderator. Let me introduce myself. My name Anissa Pratiwi. Last NPM 09. I will explain instrument for project assessment. The ensure fairness and objectivity in project assessment. Teacher use a variety of assessment instruments. Test instruments include rubric that outline clear performance criteria for both the project process and the final product, as well as observation checklists that record student behavior, engagement, and participation throughout the activity. Teacher also rely on report assessment for to evaluate the quality of student written report. In addition, peer assessment and self-assessment tools are used to encourage reflection, responsibility, and collaborative evaluate among students. By using all of tasks in instrument, teacher guide more comprehensive and holistic understanding of each student overall performance. Next, example of rubric criteria. In project assessment, a rubric typically includes several criteria designed to evaluate different aspects of student work. These criteria might cover the clarity and relevant objective, the completeness and the accuracy of data, and the appropriateness of the method used. A rubric also assesses creativity in problem solving, the quality of the final report or product, and the effectiveness of student communication during presentation. In group project, aspects such as collaboration, responsibility, and equitable participation are also evaluated. By using a clear and well-structured rubric, teacher can ensure that the assessment process is transparent, consistent, and fair for all students. That's all for me. Back to moderator. Thank you.
Alright, for the conclusion, all material we got is project assessment is a comprehensive and authentic approach to evaluating student learning by engaging students in complex tasks that require systematic planning, critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration. This assessment method prepares learners to face real-world challenges. The structure, stages planning, implementation, reporting, and evaluation ensure that student development is monitored effectively. Moreover, the use of appropriate assessment instrument helps educators maintain fairness and clarity, leading to more meaningful learning. Okay, that's all for our presentation group. Thank you for your attention and sorry for our mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.